Hello and welcome to this lesson on the trading process or trading setup. Every trader needs to understand process in trading. Whether or not your system is superb, there is the need for you to ensure that that system obeys the law of process in trading. Now, as a trader, you need to understand what a setup is, the trading process is. It doesn't matter the strategy or method you are using. Always make sure you find a setup, and your system also must come with a setup. But generally, what I'm going to be showing you here or telling you about or teaching you about trading process is what I believe that every system, anywhere, any type of system at all, must be subjected to. First is that you must always find or identify the prevailing trend. When you have identified the trend, then that means you know what direction the market is headed. You know where the market is going. When you know where the market is going, it's easier for you to now begin to project where you want to enter. So first in the process, your system, your strategy, your method should be able to help you find the trend. If your system cannot help you do that, I think you should drop that system and look for something better. So your approach, your method, your system should show you or help you to find or identify the trend. Maybe you need to learn to understand how your system generates determines the trend. Okay, next in the process is you need to determine your entry and your exit strategies. Before ever you pull the trigger, you've known where the market is most probably headed. There's the need for you to now determine where you want to enter and where you want to pull out of the market for a profit or for a little loss. Okay, and then thirdly, before you also pull the trigger, you must determine your acceptable risk. Your acceptable risk, you must have worked it out. Okay, I am going to be trading with so and so exposure and with so and so risk per trade or per period. Okay, per period could be per day or per week or per month or per year. So as a trader, you need to have this clearly defined. Your risk, acceptable risk, when you plan it out well, it will teach you, it will show you, guide you on a lot of things, including what position size to take, where your stop loss should be, what your risk reward ratio should be, and all that. So we will be dealing with this in more details in the subsequent video. So I'll go over again the trading process. Make sure you understand it. Always find the trend first. Be sure to know if there is a trend or no trend. Remember the slogan among traders: the trend is your friend until it bends. So make sure you always find the trend and align with the trend. Next, determine your entry and your exit strategies, and thirdly, define your acceptable risk. Okay, so in the subsequent videos we'll be picking this one after the other and dealing with them. Thank you and God bless you, and see you at the top.